Hey everyone, we are evaluating the CUBOT KingKong AX 3, a tough smartphone developed to withstand the harshest environments today. This device has a robust battery, a second display on the back, and a dust, water, drop, and even heat-resistant casing. The rough and forceful appearance of the KingKong AX 3 highlights its dependability and strength. The device has a fashionable appearance because of its black and orange color scheme, and its longevity is guaranteed by the use of premium materials. It offers an IP68 degree of protection, and is made to survive falls from large heights without suffering significant harm. This indicates that it is totally dustproof, and that it can survive a 30-minute submersion in water up to 1.5 meters. In addition, the KingKong AX 3 has IP69K protection, which means it can tolerate high temperatures. The ports and buttons are positioned in a traditional manner. On the bottom are connectors for charging and headphones. A slot holds 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM and an SD card, and a normal software button. The smartphone is far smaller than most smartphones in this class, weighing only 284 grams, and measuring 12.7 millimeters in thickness despite its sturdy construction. The extra display next to the camera unit is one of the most notable features. You may rapidly check the time without having to unlock the main screen, thanks to this screen's ability to display the clock face. For those who appreciate convenience of use and high-quality photos, the KingKong AX 3 is a unique option because it has a feature that is uncommon among contemporary smartphones. A 6.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels serves as the primary display. It sports a 90Hz refresh rate capacitive touchscreen. Although the frames are evident, this is typical with smartphones in this category. The pixels are invisible, and the display is vivid and rich. The G88 CPU and Android 14 are the two operating systems that power the KingKong AX 3. It includes 256 gigs of internal memory that can be expanded to 1 terabyte using an SD card, and 8 gigs of RAM. This setup offers great speed and performance. There is a triple camera system on the back of the smartphone. With the bokeh effect, the third camera has 0.3 megapixels, the second has 5 megapixels, and the primary camera has 48 megapixels. The 32 megapixel front camera has an f2.2 aperture. The front camera does a decent job of filming videos during the day, but it has trouble at night. The 5100 mAh battery of the KingKong AX 3 allows for extended use before requiring a recharge. The smartphone may endure for the entire day with heavy use, and up to 2 days with light use. For quick charging, a 33-watt power source is included. The KingKong AX 3 is a strong, tough smartphone with strong technical features and an excellent degree of security. It's perfect for people who work in demanding environments or have active lifestyles. With the internet, you can obtain the information you need without worrying about the environment or dirty hands, because you can constantly be connected. It's all handled flawlessly by this smartphone. Please hit the bell icon to receive updates, subscribe to the channel, and hit the like button below the video if you found this review to be helpful. Leave a comment below with your opinions on tough smartphones. That's all for today. Have a nice day everyone, and God bless you.